Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back to all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today was a great day for Tesla. Tesla shares today surged over 14%. This is after FSD was approved in China. So today shares surged over 14%, and the gain in my Charles Schwab was a little over $1,100. Um, Apple also got an upgrade today, so shares spiked up 3% there. Also, AMD was up slightly, and Freeport McMoran, which is coppers and other related minerals, was up 3.41%. So those were some of the hottest stocks today. Again, Tesla took the cake, up 14%. Elon Musk visits China. Now let's take a quick look at the news. Okay, we're on CNBC, and again, the top news is Tesla. Tesla shares jump over 15% after passing a key hurdle to roll out advanced driver assistance in China. Okay, so Elon Musk over the weekend, I guess he took his private jet, flew into China, and the premier there and the Chinese government approved full self-driving. Okay, so now this is a partnership between um, BAID and their mapping software. So again, Elon Musk getting full self-driving approval within China. So shares China rose sharply on Monday after the electric car maker passed a significant milestone to roll out his advanced driver assistance technology. This is off the back of last week's earning call where he talked a lot about the possibility of the Robotaxi coming to the US soon. So again, the big news is that Elon Musk in China got the full approval of FSD. And again, they probably have a way more complicated area over there as far as roads and stuff, and it's quite a bit more traffic congestion there. So this approval is made. It says here, Tesla on Sunday said the local Chinese authority removed restriction on his car after passing the country's data security requirements. Um, Tesla's electric cars are some of the most popular vehicles in China, and they have reportedly been banned from some government-related properties due to security concerns. Okay, so that's good news. Full self-driving availability in China, and that is the news. That's where the 15% gain came from. Now let's go to other parts of the news. Highlights: Dow climbs over 100 points, and Nasdaq to close higher. What else we have? Paramount CEO Bob Bakish is stepping down, will be replaced by a trio of executives. Morgan Stanley banker sees 10 to 15 more tech IPOs in 2024 and a better year in 2025. So last week we had Rubik, the company Rubrik. It's a security software company. They had initial public offering on last week. So that's good. There's new money coming in the market. Rubrik technology for cyber resiliency, and you want to be protected, visit rubric.com. Again, they just listed on the NASDAQ last week, and so that could be a hot stock. Just like Reddit was listed the month before, more IPOs are getting listed this year. So that's companies that were in the private market and worth billions of dollars have got onto the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, so let's go over to my Robinhood real quick. Okay, on my Robinhood, we were up a little over 1% today. But again, a lot of that was Tesla. Today we had a gain of $35 in the portfolio. So that bumped me over the $3,000 mark. Good sign. But we do know Tesla led the way on the news that full service driving was approved in China. Okay, so that was the big news. And so let's see what. Okay, as I mentioned, Tesla shares popped over 15% on the day. If we look at the past week, it's been a nice progression. Last week, the shares were trading as low as $144. Today, the shares are trading as high as $193 per share. Okay, so a nice 33% gain since last week on shares of Tesla. Okay, after full FSD is approved in China. This is after a spectacular earnings call on last Tuesday. Elon Musk started talking about the possibilities of full self-driving this week. Another powerful week as he gets the approval in China to get full self-driving. Again, China is yet to pass these same regulations in the USA, but that is a huge market in China. So again, shares gain over 34% over the last week in Tesla. A gain in the, at least of over $49 per share in 1 week. Okay, so that's great news for Tesla. All the Tesla shareholders. Again, I've been a long-term Tesla shareholder for now over 2 years, and I'm pretty happy with my shares. All right, so we'll close out on my other portfolio. And today the portfolio was up a little over 1,000, and a lot of that had to do with the Tesla shares. So again, Tesla today was up 15% for a gain of $1,200 in this portfolio. Secondly was Advanced Market Devices up 1.77%, and Apple up 2%, 2.48%, and Amazon shares they will report on tomorrow, and they were up slightly today as well. So that is the news for today. Again, the top stock today was Tesla. Tesla shares surging over 15% after approval in China, full self-driving or self-assisted driving. Tesla shares rocketed up over 15.37% on the day. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Amazon shares to report tomorrow. So we'll see if Amazon shares will pop in after hours after they report. So thanks for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.